mga bangga! Welcome to my channel! Kantayo Bits channel, YT. So, busy kami karon sa among kusina kay magluto si Mother. Come here, wait there, Mother. For a minute. So, si Mother magluto og pansit para sa
Hello,
iyang
mga bangga!
para sa iyang grandson si John Paul, and then pork apritada or chicken.
No. Pansit po niyo.
Look, oh, see you. Well, so pancit and then ham in the oven. So dili ko na siya pagbuhat og apritada, no unya ang kuan magbuhat ko og mango sago drink. So mauna ako ang buhaton dire. So nag-slice na ko to cubes. Ay sa arong kita mo. Okay. So need mangoes, of course, and then slice it with cube. Tanaw ko naman, nagbukal na ang tubig, ma? Okay, so nagpabukal ko og tubig, guys, para sa ako ang colored sago. Right here, for my drink. So, in English, sago is a tapioca pearl. Lang na siyang bring it to boil, and then pahumuko na to, guys, ang sago para inig-mix kuha na. So ang usa ka mangga, so duha atong ibutang mag-slice siguro ko kasi tulo ka mangga ako slice. So So, pag human ani slice, maghuwat ta sa tapioca pearl nga maluto. So, pagkaluto atong i-rinse sa cold water. Then, we put it in the refrigerator to cool it off. And then, mintras mag-cool off ang tapioca pearls, we will mix up, we'll need milk and then condensed milk. Tapos yun, i-mix mo na, lagay mo yung tapioca and then yung mango in the top. So, ayan na, cold mango tapioca pearls drink. Drink ni mga pangga, dili ni siya dessert. So, drinks ni akong buka. I need one more mango. So, kaning mangga among gigamit, pareho ni siya mangga sa atoa, pero kuan lang kanang isang ana kanang marathon man siya. Kaya ang mangga sa atoa, ang tawag ato is champagne mango. So, pero parehag gid siya, wa siya kanang kuan kanang lanot-lanot pa. This one looks like dili pa siya ripe. Sige lang kay sagol tamis ug aslom lami na kanis magsagol na sila. So what am I making right now? I'm gonna tell you, I'm making the mango sago drinks. Okay, so mango with colored tapioca pearl. So you need condensed milk, fresh milk, and then you can only, if you want, you can put the whipped cream on the top. So I like to put the whipped cream on the top. So it tastes good. Okay. So manana siya mga pangga. So tapioca pearl. So that's it for my sharing the recipe of mango tapioca pearl drink. So after the tapioca is boiling right now, once it's softened, a little bit softened, then I will take it out and rinse it with cold water, and then put it in the refrigerator. And then while I'm mixing the regular milk, condensed milk, and then once the tapioca is would cool off enough to put it in your drink. So we'll wait until it's done, and then we'll put it in the fridge or freezer, so if you wanted to use a quick drink. So after that, I rinse it out and then put it in the fridge. Then you can mix the fresh milk and then a little bit of condensed milk. Then you can add the mango, tapioca pearls, and then the whipped cream on the top. There you go. There's my mango drink with tapioca pearls. Okay? Bye-bye you! Thank you for subscribing. Kantayo best. Ay mabinat malusog group. Salamat sa inyong mga sisi love. God bless and love, love, love.